Quite honestly, your children are better off being away from you.
A mother charged in the death of her 5-year-old daughter is sentenced today to life in prison.
Shamira Buford is now headed to the Department of Corrections for her role in a case that shocked the Waynesville community. Color 10's Parker Paget attended today's sentencing, where Buford asked the judge for leniency but got none.
An emotional day for those in court waiting to hear Shamira Buford's fate. Buford pleaded guilty to child abuse that led to the death of her 5-year-old daughter, Amelia. Police say Buford and her partner would tie the child up at night to keep her from getting up to eat food, and even put a sock in the girl's mouth to silence her screams.
It is the judgment and sentence of the court that you be taken by the sheriff of Pulaski County to the Missouri Department of Corrections and there to serve the rest of your life in the Department of Corrections unless sooner released by operation of law.
The case rocked Waynesville in 2023, with one witness saying a detective actually resigned because of the trauma from this case. Skylar Brotherton previously worked with Buford and considered the little girl as a niece.
There was no need for her to be neglected.
Brotherton says the sentence is some measure of closure, but people are still hurting.
When the incident first happened over a year ago, Waynesville got hit pretty bad. I find it closure that Amelia can rest now knowing that justice was served in her case.
Buford pleaded with Judge Beeger before the ruling.
I don't want to be away from my kids that long. By the time I get out of prison from 10 years, all my kids will be grown. I won't have no relationship with my kids.
But Judge Beeger was unmoved.
The court has no sympathy about the time you're going to spend away from your family. Quite honestly, your children are better off being away from you.
Parker Paget reporting this evening. The other woman charged in the little girl's death, Angela West, also was sentenced to life in prison in December.